Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iPhone Bluetooth issues after the iOS update. So firstly you have to restart your iPhone. I recommend you to restart your iPhone because sometimes a restart can fix this kind of problems. So you have to restart first and check that your problem has been fixed or not. But your issue, if it's still the issue, then you have to go to the next step. The next step is you have to update the iOS or update your iPhone. How you can do this? You have to click on settings. Now go to general, this one, general. Now go software update. Now if you find any update available here, you have to update it. Mine one is updated, that's why it's not showing. But in your case, if you find something here like update iOS version, then you have to update this. After that your problem will be fixed. If it's not fixed yet, you have to go to the last step. The last step is you have to reset your network settings. So how you can do this? You have to click on this settings first. Now scroll down and go to general. Now scroll down to the last and you'll find here transfer or reset iPhone. Click on this transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Now you'll find here reset network settings. You have to click on this, and after that your network setting will be reboot and your Bluetooth will become. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.